Today we received an example from a customer. Let's open the package together to see what kind of workpiece it is. It's a CNC machined aluminum part. The customer's requirement is to remove the machining marks on the surface. The reverse side is the scratcher similar to a radiator. There is a lot of dirty things hidden inside. The customer also requested to remove them. Now let's do a polishing test together. The results are obvious after the testing. All the machining marks are removed. Also, the color is very bright.